Here are some tips if you want to open a large number of files at once in Wordless. You may click File menu, Open Folder to quickly open all files under a folder. If you do not want to recursively open files in subfolders, uncheck Include Files in Subfolders. If the files you are going to open are all of the same encoding and language, it will be much faster to skip the detection process altogether. But before that, you need to specify the default file settings through Settings panel, Files, Default Settings. Then click File menu, Open Files or Open Folder. But we are not going to open files for now, so just click Cancel and uncheck Auto Detect Encodings and Auto Detect Languages. Now you can use the buttons on the right side of the table to add your corpus files. Since auto detection is off, the files will be added to the table instantly. The file settings will be set automatically to the default values that you have just specified in the Settings panel. But you can always change them if necessary. Note that these files still need to be pre-processed before they could be finally added to the file area.